Hello and welcome to MZ Academy. This is Zahra and today we're going to be making a card for the new year. So let's get started. Before we begin, I would like to wish everyone a very happy new year. Hopefully 2021 will be better than last year. I hope everyone has a happy, healthy and safe year ahead. So first off, you'll need to cut out 4 hearts and write 2021 on them, like that. After that, you want to arrange them however you like, and then glue them on the card. Next up, you want to make this little paper bow, and I'll be leaving a link to a video on how to make this bow in the description box below. And then you want to draw lines that go from the hearts to the bow. After that, you want to write Happy New Year down here, but that's up to you, and I'll be leaving it just the way it is. And now let's move on to the inside of the card. Okay guys, I'm so sorry, but I forgot to record myself while I was drawing this, but this is what you should be aiming for while drawing. Next, I'll be tracing this with a Sharpie. Okay guys, I think the inside looks amazing. I also added these like bubbles sort of thing, which gives it a better look overall, since it was looking kind of bland. And with that being said, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a fantastic new year once again, and I'll see you guys in 2021. Bye!